Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you've spent money on TEMU and want to get your credit back, there are several legitimate ways to do this. Step 1. Check your purchase history first. Open the TEMU app, go to your account settings, and navigate to your order history. Look for any orders that were charged incorrectly or that you want to dispute. Make a note of the order numbers and dates. Step 2. Contact customer support directly. Go to the Help section in the app, select the order you want to dispute, and choose Contact Support. Explain your situation clearly, whether it's a duplicate charge, unauthorized purchase, or an item that never arrived. Be polite and specific about what happened. Step 3. Request a refund through the payment method. If TEMU support doesn't respond quickly, contact your payment provider directly. Whether you used a credit card, debit card, or digital wallet, you can file a dispute. Provide them with documentation of the transaction and your reason for disputing it. Step 4. Use TEMU's dispute resolution process. Within the app, look for the dispute option on your problematic order. TEMU has a formal process where you can submit evidence like screenshots or photos. They typically respond within 5 to 10 business days. Step 5. Follow up and monitor your account. After submitting your dispute, check your email regularly for updates from TEMU. Keep track of any reference numbers they provide. If you don't see credit back within the time frame they give you, follow up again. Document everything for your records in case you need to escalate the issue further.